Hello, this is Spencer Barber, and today I'm going to show you how to get the Bouncy Ball Rig into your scene and how to use it. So first of all, this is just a cube that I created and made it the same size as the floor grid. So what I'm going to do to just have this as a stage, I'm going to go to Layers over here in the channel box, click on Layers, and I have the cube selected. So then create layer from selected. So now it's in this layer and I can turn it on and off. And I'm going to make it a reference so that I can't accidentally click on it. Okay, so now go to File, Reference Editor. Click this little box and go find your Bouncy Ball Rig. So this will create a reference to it, which will make it so the rig isn't stored in your file, and it'll make your file run a little bit smoother. This is a really tiny rig, so it's not super necessary, but it's good to have clean practices. So here's the controls. This is the main transform control. So you can move the whole ball around without changing its shape. This global scale will actually scale the whole rig. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down, and let's see, these top and bottom controls basically the same as the transform control, except for if you move them separate, then you can get some squash and stretch. So it can stretch from the top or the bottom. Okay. And then this control in the middle, this one around the whole ball, is the rotation. So this is how you rotate the ball. So you can actually get it to roll by, let me just demonstrate a quick roll. So I'm going to take it over here, we'll go to frame 1, hit S, go to frame 20, hit S. You can actually go down here. There's this auto key button. If that's turned on, then once a control has a key, then any time you're on a different frame, or any time you're on any frame and you actually move something, then it'll key it by itself. But you have to make sure that that button is on and that there's already a key. So good thing to do is just grab all of it, hit S, okay, and now it's going to just put a key. Watch, if I go here and I take this and move it, see, and I didn't even key it, it just did it by itself. So over here I'm going to just double check, make sure there's a key on this rotation control. Go here and I'm going to rotate it all the way around. See that? We got a roll. So that would be a roll. And that's pretty much it. So have fun. I'm excited to see what you guys can do with this. Get some cool bouncy ball animations. And I'll see you in the next video.